there's this mysterious and potentially life-threatening illness in dogs. Obviously, dogs are a part of our families,
Absolutely.
our puppy dogs, and it's been on the rise across the country.
Absolutely. Cases, in fact, have been reported in at least 10 states. And Kelsey's back with details. And Kelsey, this illness typically starts with a cough that just won't go away, right?
Nick and Adrienne, this is just something we don't want our dogs to get. It typically starts as a persistent cough that lasts several weeks. It then moves through the respiratory system. But here's a problem. It can then turn to pneumonia, and that is where it can become deadly. A lot is still not known about this infection, but cases have been reported across the country, including Oregon, California, Idaho, parts of the Midwest, Georgia, Florida, New Hampshire, and much of the Northeast. Now, that's believed, because so much is still not known about this particular illness, that these dogs are likely getting the infection from being in close contact with other canines. So places you want to watch out for are dog parks, groomers, boarding kennels. Some other symptoms and signs to watch out for are tiredness, trouble breathing, coughing that doesn't seem to get better, sneezing, nasal or eye discharge, and blue and purple gums, because not enough oxygen is getting to the dog. A big concern is that vets are saying that this dog illness is not responding to antibiotics. Vets are telling dog owners not to panic. You do want to make sure your pup's vaccinations are up to date.
Bordetella is the most common cause of kennel cough in our dogs, and there's a vaccine for that. It's not 100% protective, but it is pretty effective at lessening the severity of disease and protecting animals against it. So making sure your dog is up to date on Bordetella. If there's flu in the area, canine flu, also having your dog vaccinated for that as well.
And vets out there are also saying, do not wait this one out. If you see your pup with a cough, do not wait it out. Take your dog to the doctor as soon as you can. Adrienne, Nick.
All right. Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find News Nation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of News Nation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.